Founded in Wake Forest, North Carolina in 1834, Wake Forest University is one of the most prestigious colleges in the country and provides itself with being one of the most well-rounded institutions in the country. It was an hour and a half down the road from where BBT Field would become to be built. Food Lion put down their roots to the region. Food Lion quickly became one of the region's premier grocery stores and has remained as a community partner in the region. With over 500 stores in the state, 63,000 employees nationwide, um, Food Lion has been the premier grocery store in North Carolina. Unlike Walmart, Wegmans, Target, Food Lion has low, affordable, and accessible pricing. Food Lion and Wake Forest University both find themselves in the Piedmont region, which is populated by food deserts. A food desert is defined as an area that does not have immediate access to fresh fruit and vegetables, and residents in the area have to travel a mile or more from transit to get access to affordable groceries. This is an issue that has plagued the region for years and causes that Wake Forest is trying to. It's a cause that Wake Forest is trying to connect with as well. So let's get to it. The reality is this: when Wake Forest football highlights Food Lion's affordable pricing and unique history in the region, an extensive selection of products to BB&T Field with 31,000 fans, the impact will show itself. It goes beyond attachment and Food Lion's logo constantly to our messaging. It will be through purposeful endorsements. The first will be Fuel by Food Lion. Our first fall games, we want tailgates outside the McCary Tower, offering a selection of fresh fruits, vegetables, fried food and produce, and special game day options. We want to ensure uh, the community would be first and everything that we do, and we really want to get ourselves into the community. Secondly, we would be implementing an MVP program that distributes rewards for customers' activity. Like many rewards programs, it is based upon purchasing and how much you buy, how many games you come to, and we can implement this through social media and just get the community and the ball rolling on, um, you know, if you shop with Food Lion, you can come to more Wake Forest games. You can get closer seats. You can get free tickets, stuff like that. So pricing. Uh, we would seek a 5-year sponsorship. We would like to reevaluate after year one to ensure both parties are satisfied. Wake Forest Athletics feels um, as though $250,000 would be desired for rights fees and $500,000 to activate in the ways that we have designed. After year one, the situation and cost effective would be cost effective for both parties and mutually beneficial. Wake Forest Athletics would like to continue the sponsorship and another discussion regarding numbers that can be had through staying from initial pricing and unlikely per year. These prices are derived from looking at sponsorships that show success and precedent with the ACC, like Aramark, Raycom, Chick-fil-A. It is a small cost to pay to have advertising for a sold-out stadium or an arena, but also for the tens of millions of viewers that will tune in to our biggest matchups. This gives Food Lion a distinct advantage not only in our region, but nationwide. Thank you.